Good morning, guys. I just wanted to show you what it looks like for me every single morning when I try to edit a video so I can upload it to YouTube so you guys can watch it. This is what I deal with every morning. So I have Kane here all over me. Got toys all over the floor. Got Kai and Unnies. Got Mia trying to pick up Kale. Miley's watching TV. It's just a madhouse in here. And here I'm just trying to edit this video and try to get it up as fast as I can. So just wanted to show you what I have to deal with, and this is what goes on every morning. Yeah. 3-year-olds trying to hold 7-month-olds. It's fun. Oh, hi, Cookie. Hi, Cookie. All you Michigan fans out there, there you go. My brother-in-law got that for them. Kane has a matching one. He's not wearing it right now. Hi, Cookie.
He got Kane.
Yeah.
He got Kane.
Alright.
He got Kane.
That Kaney cool.
I heard him.
Kane has a shirt that says, "He's so cute." He's so cute. Alright, guys, I have a bunch of work to do, and the kids are driving Erica and myself crazy. It is so hot outside, so muggy. And they just like step outside and are just instantly complaining about being hot. So and they're like coming inside and just tearing the place up. So I decided to put them to work. So I'm gonna have them shuck some corn, so we can have corn on the cob under our porch, so it's all shaded for them. And it's actually a little cooler right here than out in the front yard. So hopefully they won't complain. So anyways, I'm gonna have them shuck some corn, and hopefully they can be busy for 15 minutes at least. Okay, you kids, I'm gonna put you to work, okay?
Okay.
You ready to work?
Yeah.
All right. So this is, you're preparing our food for tonight, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you guys take a piece of corn. Take a piece of corn. Take a piece of corn. Okay? And we're gonna shuck it. Can you guys say shucking corn?
Shucking corn.
Okay. So what we do is you pull the leaves off of it and pull all the strings off of the corn.
Okay.
And then when it's all done, you'll see corn on the cob. So it'll just be the kernels of the corn. Okay?
Okay.
And then when you're done, you can put it right on this tray.
Okay.
So all of the leaves and all of the strings in here goes in this bucket.
Okay.
Okay? Then we're going to put it in the compost.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright.
So ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shuck that corn. Shuck it. Don't hurt yourself. Remember, it's hot outside, so don't overwork it.
Got it.
Careful for that end, Miley. Don't want to stab your sister.
Got it.
Please, someone bring us more corn. I just went
in.
inside and hugged Erica, and the kids are done. So that only lasted 5 minutes, maybe? 5 minutes. Hey, don't eat it yet. We gotta cook it, you silly girl. Wild animal. You're wild, honey. We gotta cook it.
You have to cook it. I guess that was Mia's.
Okay. Good job, guys. Thank you.
No,
Corn.
I do. You're welcome.
And we're gonna have this for dinner tonight, okay?
Okay.
You guys want corn for dinner?
Yeah!
Okay, so it's lunchtime and this is what we are having. Sorry, TV's loud. We should have shade tards on.
This is Kai.
Yeah, Mia's got hers. So this is what we're having. Is, let's see if you can see it, is broccoli salad, avocado, a rice cracker, salami, and some fresh pineapple that I cut up last night. That is Miley's. The other kids are having the same thing, but with cheese. Weston's also having the same thing. Yummy. Does it look yummy? You excited? Okay, get in your seat.
I don't want to do that.
Alright, Weston just brought the mail in and we got a package from the Brown family. My sister, my brother-in-law, my nephew, they are stationed in Guam right now and they went on a trip to visit our family in Okinawa and she said she picked up some stuff for us, so she sent us this box. We love sending boxes back and forth. I always collect stuff from my nephew. He's 8 and send him things that he misses from home, from here in California. So it's kind of fun when we get boxes. So I thought we would open it up and show you guys what it is. So, all right, go ahead, open it up. It's the first thing. Open it. Run. Okay, run. Okinawa. Let's see. Miley, hold on. Let's open this. No, see what's in there? Ooh, some socks. Oh, those are cute. Some socks.
Oh my god.
What? What is it? Ooh, one of the smash pennies from Guam. And a keychain. Very cool. Ooh, a postcard. That must have been where they stayed. We hope you loved the treats. Miss you all like crazy. What's that? Guam Super Bowl tour. Oh, these are the cheerleaders and the football players. Isn't that cool?
Oh my gosh.
That feather thing she has. Is that cool? Yeah. Do you love it?
And then the mascot.
Oh yeah, that must be the mascot.
It's signed by the mascot.
Wow. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, and
This is cool.
and erasers.
Let's see. Oh yeah, you love these.
Yeah, I do.
Funny erasers, those are cool.
Yeah. Do they get to? Do you have to take them apart?
I don't know, we'll see. Ooh, a little peanut and rice cracker treat. Ooh, oh, this looks rice seasoning. I think you put on top of rice. Ooh, look, that's probably green tea Oreos. Yum. Ooh, this looks like little candies, maybe? Cool. Ooh, what are these? Are these high chews? They're Stitch high chews.
Yum! They're flavored banana.
Look at.
Awesome.
I think that's high chew, right? It looks like a high chew.
Looks like it.
It's like there's one for each of them. Oh, look at.
Yum.
I'm gonna open that.
Ooh! Socks. Look
on.
at this. Socks.
Oh, those are cool.
Hold on tight. Wow. I like these socks actually.
I know you do. Let's see this one.
Oh, stop.
Cool. Oh, James. It's for James. Okay, so we're gonna put this to the side.
Mom, what? Okay.
Erica.
This is mine.
Yep, this is mine. Okay. What are these? Oh, shrimp chips.
Oh, that's my
These
favorite.
are my favorite.
That's my favorite.
Okay.
Mom, what's And Mom, what's
Ooh, a
this?
bento. Hello Kitty bento. That's pretty cool, huh?
Two more for me and Kai.
Well, let's see. Does it have a name? This
That's
must be
fine.
Oh, maybe it's for Kane and Kale.
It might be for Kenny Kill.
Yeah, I bet those are
This
for
is
Kane and
Kai-Kai's.
Kale.
This is Pooh Bears.
Mia got, let me see, Mia, what'd you get? A Hello Kitty like Miley? Cool. And what'd you get? Oh, yeah. Is that Pokemon or something?
No. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's Pokemon.
Cool. Kai, I didn't see it. Let's see. Pokemon. Cool. I bet Nico picked that for you, Kai.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nico.
Thank guys.
Ooh, and little,
I
oh,
want
little
mine,
rice
I want
bowls.
mine,
Look at those. How cute.
I want mine.
What's that? That's for Grammy. Let's not open that. Oh, looks
I
like
love those.
pineapple candies.
Mom, I love those.
You've never even had these.
Yes, I did. Remember when Auntie Rachel comes here and she gave
Oh,
me
is that what she gave you?
some? Yeah.
Oh, these are delish.
But
Little
they're
chocolate biscuits.
They're
And this
They're different
Pocky. Ooh, yum.
they like lots.
Wow, what do you guys say to Auntie Rachel and Uncle Jason and Nico?
Thank you, Uncle Jason. Uncle Jason and Auntie Rachel and Nico.
Love you. All right, I'm put these kids to bed. Thanks, Rachel. This is so fun. I can't wait to try some of this stuff.
Rachel. Thanks, Sister Rachel.
It's crazy, huh, Miley?
That's like
So Miley is opening, I think they are banana pineapple high chews. I think that's what it is. She's gonna try one right now. Is it good? What does it taste like?
it tastes like banana more.
More like banana than pineapple. Maybe it's just banana, I don't know.
But
So good.
it tastes like pineapple now.
Maybe the middle's pineapple. I smell it. It does smell like banana and pineapple. So I decided to take everything off our mantle. You guys probably have seen it in the background. Basically after Christmas, when I took down our Christmas mantle stuff, I just like threw stuff up there and it's just been sitting there because we had newborn babies. So now I'm gonna redo it basically just with just our pictures from Disneyland, our silhouettes. And so we just had to figure out like how much space in between and the stuff, and like I'm gonna be honest, I don't do like math stuff very often, so it's a little bit confusing, but I think we got it figured out. And I'm using painter's tape so I can just put it on the wall so it'll be easier. So stay tuned for our final product.
So we're now here down at the beach.
Yeah. This is part of the dunes right here. We're in Guam. Beach. It's like 79. So Carson's 79. This feels so good. Does it feel good?
Yeah. It's windy, but since it rained, the sand is all compacted, so it's
Yeah,
wet.
it's true. There's no sand blowing in our faces. Hi, Cookie. it cold? Isn't this crazy? Like, this is just where we live. Like, it took us like 3 minutes to get here. Just walk on over to the beach. So nice. It's about 79 degrees, but I bet the water's freezing. I'm gonna feel it right now. We feel it, Kate? No, I'm not gonna let the babies go in. It's too cold. It's cold. Oh, it is cold. Our water is cold, cold, cold. But it feels good since it's so hot outside. It's cold, huh?
It's actually pretty warm.
Oh, it feels warm too. It feels cold to me. Girls, stay back. You like it, Mia? Whoa! And Kai back here, he's always so cautious of everything. He's making sure it's gonna be okay first. You alright, bud?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
At the same time. You're right, bud. Mia got wet too. Look at her. She got soaked.
Look at that kid has shorts on.
Now you can really get in. Since you're all wet, now you can really.
He does not think this is funny. Got knocked over. Do you want to go back out there?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. And then Miley over here, no fear. Is that fun, Mia? Did you get knocked over? Yeah. Come on, Kai.
They're both pretty unstable when like a little tiny wave came in. Come on, get back in there, bud.
Miley is having so much fun. These waves are pretty big. Oh yeah. Sand dollar, let's see it. Oh, dropped it.
Where is it?
There it is, right there.
Cool, it's broken. Yeah, there's a bunch of whales out there and some dolphins. Alright, I wish the camera would pick it up. It's pretty cool. It's awesome.
Oh,
Alright, here's dinner. Super random because we got home late from the beach and the chiropractor. We have grilled cheese. This is Miley, so gluten-free bread with vegan cheese. We have
Sausage.
pineapple sausage, chicken sausage, cucumbers, carrots, blueberries, and pear, and avocado. Super random. Everyone's having the same thing. Looks good, huh? Did you have fun at the beach? Yeah, you're soaked, huh?
But now I take the shower. Now I feel so much good and I smell good.
Yeah. Silly.
Okay, Erica, I have a story to tell you. I was in my office and all of a sudden, I looked down at my arm because I felt like something crawl on my arm. And it was a baby spider. Okay?
Okay.
So I killed it.
Okay. Oh gosh. Did a lot come out? Like more baby spiders?
That was a baby spider. That.
Babies come out of it?
No, it was a baby spider.
Okay.
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 Alright. So then I went over to my ice cream and I lifted it up and a bunch of baby spiders came out from the bottom. At least.
Seriously?
No, at least like 6 or 7. All on different strings coming off of it. And then one was from my hair, so I was looking down.
When I was just in your office.
I know, and I was looking down and I was like, oh my gosh, there's spiders like climbing up the strings towards my head.
Where'd they come from?
I don't know. Well, I looked at the container and I saw that there was like a string or a web string or whatever coming up from the top, so maybe it like, I don't know.
I can't even.
There's like so much spiders here in our house.
Spray with spiders. I'm like.
Well, good thing I didn't just spray because it would have been washed away.
Good thing I didn't. That's what you get for eating ice cream, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, it was
That's
crazy.
disgusting.
Yeah.
On that note, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to thumbs up the video if you like it and share it with other people because you guys are so nice and leave really nice comments, but if you guys share it with other people, then more people can watch. And yeah, we really like making these videos, so yeah, thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe if you're not already because it's free, and leave a comment below so we can talk to you. Okay, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Ooh, that one was close. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was crazy. My battery died at the same time that lightning struck, and our power is out now.